A budget isn't just a simple spreadsheet full of numbers. It's a survival map, a gritty blueprint meticulously crafted for navigating the treacherous financial wilderness where every decision counts. It tells your money exactly where to go, asserting firm control before chaos can seize the reins and derail your hard-earned progress in unpredictable ways. This isn't about harsh restriction that stifles your life. It's about fierce intention, a bold declaration of purpose for every single dollar you earn and spend. Every dollar gets a specific job, a clear mission assigned to it, and every mission serves a larger, empowering goal that aligns with your overall financial vision. A budget is a practical plan, not for chasing unattainable perfection that leads to frustration, but for providing unwavering protection against financial pitfalls and surprises. It's how you stop money from ghosting you, from vanishing without a trace into unnecessary expenses, and start making it show up with undeniable purpose and direction in your life. Budgeting acts like a powerful beacon, shining brightly to clear away the dense fog of financial uncertainty that often clouds judgment and leads to poor decisions. You stop guessing blindly about your finances, stop hoping for the best without action, and start knowing with absolute clarity exactly where you stand at any given moment. It dramatically reduces anxiety by eliminating the stress of unknowns, because uncertainty is a costly burden that drains your energy, while clarity is a liberating gift that empowers you forward. You seize control, not over every unpredictable expense that life throws at you, but over your powerful, deliberate response to them, turning challenges into opportunities. Budgeting is your emotional self-defense mechanism, a strategic maneuver designed to prevent money from gaslighting you into doubting your own financial instincts and choices. Emergencies don't politely ask for permission before disrupting your life. They strike without warning, catching you off guard if you're not prepared. But a budget equips you with impenetrable armor, fortifying your position and preparing you for the inevitable battles that come with unexpected financial demands. You build robust buffers like emergency funds, fortifying your defenses against layoffs that threaten income, unexpected car repairs that drain savings, and surprise bills that appear out of nowhere. You spend with calculated strategy, thoughtfully planning each purchase, not impulsive whims that lead to regret, not crippling guilt that weighs you down, and certainly not comparison to others' spending habits. You start saving, not someday in the distant future when conditions might be perfect, but today, right now, with immediate action that builds momentum over time. Even if it's just $5 set aside from your daily coffee, that small act is a powerful declaration of financial intent, proving your commitment to long-term security. A budget is your personal GPS, guiding you relentlessly towards your most audacious dreams with precise directions and real-time adjustments along the way. Debt-free living without the weight of interest payments. The pride of home ownership with a key in your hand, the thrill of travel to new horizons, the profound peace of mind that comes from stability. It transforms vague hopes and fleeting wishes into concrete line items on your budget sheet, turning abstract desires into tangible progress you can measure and celebrate. You track your journey closely, you tweak your course when deviations occur, and you pivot when necessary, adapting to the changing terrain of your financial landscape. Because goals aren't static monuments set in stone, they are evolving landscapes, constantly shifting and growing as you gain experience and new priorities emerge. Budgeting is the powerful engine that propels your future forward, making it roar louder than any lingering echo from your past mistakes or setbacks. You don't budget to punish yourself with unnecessary deprivation. You budget to unleash your true financial freedom, opening doors to possibilities you once thought unattainable. You stop being a reactive pawn moved by circumstances and start being an intentional, strategic player who dictates the moves in your own life story. You rewrite your money story entirely, transforming it from a tale of chaos and confusion to one of absolute clarity and confident decision-making. From the paralyzing fear of financial ruin to an unstoppable flow of financial empowerment that carries you towards prosperity and security. Budgeting isn't boring routine paperwork. It's an act of profound bravery, a testament to your inner strength and determination to take charge. Ready to forge your own financial destiny with these insights? dive deeper into these powerful strategies to elevate your money game. Subscribe to ScissorMoney on YouTube for more empowering insights, practical tools, and expert advice to truly master your money and achieve lasting freedom.